All right, so boom, check it out, y'all. So quick question for you. So who makes your favorite fries? Five Guys, Wingstop, McDonald's? Let me know in the comments. But I can guarantee that they ain't messing with these. I can promise you that. So look, we got some truffle Parmesan fries that we finna be making today. Super simple and probably easier than you might have thought. All right, but without further ado, let's go ahead and hop off into it though.
I do my thing in the kitchen. My name is Cord, I'm for the culture, and I'm here with a vision. We here to talk, chop it up. They say the odds are stacked against us. We ain't seen that bet. And the things we do in kitchens, y'all ain't seen that shit. Yes, Lord, let me talk. Listen, man, we here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. You know, turned into Kitchen Culture Podcast.
So we'll start off with some russet potatoes. Yes, they washed and cleaned. All right, make sure you scrub them real good and get all the gunk and dirt off, all right? So peeling them is totally optional and up to you. And here's a little trick, all right? So you don't have to keep lifting the peeler up. You can just simply run it back and forth, okay? Now, me personally, I actually like to keep a little bit of skin on, so I ain't gonna peel this all the way. But totally up to you how you wanna do that. All right, so what we're gonna do is cut off one of the ends, all right? And then we're just gonna cut this into little bolts right here. And we're gonna make little fries. Boom, so there go our French fries right there. Then just repeat the process with the rest of it. So we're gonna add a little bit of vinegar and some ice cold water. And then we're gonna add us in a little bit of salt. So what this is gonna do is help these fries to get a little extra crunch, a little extra crisp too. All right, so we're gonna let this hang out for about at least an hour, If you wanna go up to 5, even better. We're gonna cover our bowl up with a rag. Obviously make sure it's clean, but so the longer you let this set, the crispier these fries is gonna be. So at least about 1 to maybe 5 hours. All right, so drain your water on that and we'll be right back. Put your fries onto a clean towel. A clean towel. Yeah, get all that moisture out by just patting this dry. As much as you can. Let me tell you, this is my cookbook, Kitchen Culture, the best big bag cookbook on the market. So we got 90 recipes in here. It is not all big bag recipes. It's like 3 vegetable recipes in here. So I mean, it's something for a little bit of everybody. Cocktails, desserts. So let me just show you real quick. All right, so garlic parmesan lobster bites. You know, you mean strawberry pina colada if you're trying to get lit on the weekend or the middle of the week, whatever works for you. You know what I mean? Tomato basil soup. The possibilities are endless. Bourbon baked beans. So if you ain't already, grab you a copy. The link will be in the description box below. We're gonna start this oil off at 300 degrees. It's not gonna take long to fry these at all. So we're gonna do these for just about 3 minutes. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take this out the grease and then just let that hang out while we go ahead and increase that temperature to 375. Okay, so now we done got our temp up to 375. Go ahead and drop this back in that grease. Shake it, make sure everything is separated. Boom. All right, so we're gonna come back in about 5 minutes and we'll be there. If you wanna fry them a little longer, go ahead, but you're gonna take these out the grease. And then we're gonna go ahead and put them into a bowl so we can go ahead and finish off. Dump your fries into this basket here, or into this bowl. Fresh out the grease, hit it with some smoked sea salt. Black pepper. A little bit of truffle oil, just for flavor. Throwing some of my counter slap signature seasoning. If you wanna grab your bottle, the link will be in the description below. And the best part about it is low on sodium, so that way, even if you're a little heavy-handed like me, you'll be good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grate up some fresh Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. You can do regular Parmesan, that's fine too. Don't even trip on it. Go until you feel like it's enough. I don't really got a measurement on this, so, you know what I mean? Just vibe. Add your little bit of greenery up in that thing. And then just toss these around. And add your little bit more cheese. Add these fries on whatever you finna eat these out of. All right, so we'll go ahead and hit it with a little bit more Parmesan. other than the weather. McDonald's, Wingstop, whoever know. You're not seeing these. They're just not. Oh. Yes, Lord. I don't care who it is, McDonald's, Wendy's, Wingstop, they're not seeing it. Yeah, so maybe about 1 to maybe, god damn, I hate when I get tongue tied. All right, so let this sit for at least an hour, maybe even, you gotta be kidding me. All right. So we're gonna let this sit for an hour, or you can go up to at least, that damn refrigerator fucked me up. All right. So,
Up to 5 hours?
all right, so we're gonna go for at least an hour. Come on, man. Oh, that's the ice maker. Yeah. All right. So, shit.
Yes, Lord, let me talk. You tune into the Chef Core in the kitchen. We here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. Yes, Lord, let me talk.